Hi! Today I wanted to show you a special project because it's something it's been in my family for a really long time. It's an antique, a suitcase my great-grandfather took to Cuba in the beginning of the 20th century. The first thing I did was to clean it. It had a lot of dust, so I hoovered the inside and cleaned the outside with some product and a cloth. When my grandma gave it to me, my uncle proposed to make some shelves with it or a little cover, which is quite a good idea, but I didn't want to change its purpose as much, so I chose to make a table with it. The legs I chose are bobby pin legs and they are in turquoise, which I love. And I think they go really well with the suitcase because they give it a bit of a fun look, which I also. I'm not an expert in restoration or anything like that or in antiques, and I did it the best I could. The first thing I did was restore the labels it had on top, and for that I used some varnish I had at home. It was a bit difficult in order not to ruin the whole label, but I managed to stick it back to the piece of wood and then after dried, apply a second coat. The handle is made of metal, so it was a bit rusty. So I took a sponge and scrubbed until everything I got rid of most. Because I knew I didn't want to change the color or sand it or make it any different, I applied some wax with a cloth, especially on the bits that were a bit damaged. I should have done this before screwing the legs in, but and I decided to place it next to a bed spring that I have as a vertical garden. So the plants I had before died in a heat wave when I gave birth. So I'm taking this opportunity to go and buy some plants and recover this little bohemian corner. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one. Bye!